Welcome to our tutorial on using the Java Collections framework. In this video, we'll be focusing on one of its key components, the HashMap. HashMap is a data structure that stores key-value pairs, much like a dictionary or a hash table. It is a part of the Java util package and is extensively used in Java programming. Let's start by creating a HashMap in Java. Here's how you can do it. In the above example, we've created a HashMap. You can add elements to the HashMap using the put method. Here's an example. This will add John as a key with a value of 30 to the HashMap called mima. You can add as many key-value pairs as you want to the HashMap, and file automatically be stored in an efficient manner. You can retrieve a value from the HashMap using the get method. Here's an example. In the above example, we're retrieving the value of the John key from the mimap HashMap and storing it in an integer variable called Jonage. You can also check. Here's an example. In the above example, if it does, well, print John exists in mimap to the console. Lastly, you can remove an element from the HashMap using the remove method. Here's an example. This will remove the John key from the mimap HashMap. That's it for this video on HashMaps. Thanks for watching and happy coding.